In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create service in Square 2026 step by step. We'll start in the Square dashboard. Once you're in, focus your attention on the left-hand side panel. This is where you'll find the core tools for organizing what you sell. Look for items and then choose library. This is your central hub for everything you offer. From here, open the service library. This is specifically designed for appointment-based or time-based offerings, like consultations, classes, or treatments. Next, select Create Service. A form opens where you'll build out all the details. Begin with a clear, searchable name. Use a consistent naming style your team recognizes and keep it short but specific so it's easy to find during checkout or booking. Below that, add a helpful description. Outline what's included, who it's for, any prep needed, and what a customer can expect. This reduces questions and helps staff book accurately. You can also assign a color. Click Edit near the color option and pick something distinctive. Colors help you scan calendars and schedules at a glance, especially if you manage several services. Now choose the locations where this service is available. If you run multiple sites, only enable the ones that actually offer it. This keeps your menus clean and prevents accidental bookings in the wrong place. Under Categorization, click Select to choose the most relevant category. Good categorization keeps your library tidy and directly improves reporting, making sales and performance analysis easier. After selecting the best fit, click Done to confirm. Set the price next. Enter the amount you charge so staff sees the correct total during checkout and customers see a consistent price when booking. If your pricing varies, think about how that will map to variations in a moment. Add the duration to reflect how long the service takes, including any buffer you need for setup, cleanup, or transition time. Accurate timing helps prevent overbooking and keeps your day running smoothly. If you offer different tiers or options, add variations. For example, you might have standard and premium versions, or different lengths of the same service. Name each variation clearly and set the appropriate price and timing to match what you actually deliver. When everything looks good, click Save. Your new service is now in your service library and ready to use in scheduling and checkout. Take a second to review the details you entered so what customers and staff see matches your real-world workflow. That's it. You've created a service in Square quickly and cleanly with the key details that make it easy to find, book, and track.